Hello everyone, I'm very happy to be with you. Today I will show you how to prepare a traditional French strawberry jam using my Beaumalu copper basin, one of the key success to jam making. Simply follow my recipe and a few easy tricks. First of all, take care of removing the strawberry stalks and cut the fruits in pieces. It is very important to use good quality fruits, not too ripe as they contain more pectin than very ripe fruits. Do not overload the basin so as to facilitate evaporation and limit the risk of burning the bottom. Add the sugar lumps, the juice of half a lemon. Lemon juice is one of the secrets to achieve a perfect result. Lemon is also a flavor enhancer and a preservative. The copper pan promotes the reaction between pectin and lemon juice to allow proper jam thickening. Add the seeds as well as the vanilla bean. Cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally with a wooden spoon so as not to damage your Beaumalu copper basin. When the sugar is dissolved, bring to a boil and cook for about 10 minutes with gentle bubbles. When the desired consistency is reached, skim the surface. Before filling the glass jars, mix the jam if desired. I hope you liked this recipe! And please send us the pictures of the recipes you made with your Beaumalu cookware. We will be very happy to share them.